Once upon a time, the world was very noisy. But this noise was not from laughter. It was coming from screens. Parks were silent. Beaches were empty. Children were in their homes, looking at the light of tablets and phones. The trees were sad. The animals were afraid. And the world was slowly getting tired. People were consuming more, leaving more waste, but were less happy. Technology was growing, but hearts were shrinking. Technology seemed to be destroying everything. It was on those very days that there was a tiny hero that no one noticed. Altun Kanat was not an ordinary bee. His wings shone like the sun. His eyes carried wisdom. His heart carried hope. He was a superhero chosen by nature. Golden Wing was collecting not only pollen from the flowers, but also knowledge. He was listening to the wind, feeling the heartbeat of the earth. One day he heard the silent cry of the earth. It was going towards disaster. Technology is not bad, he thought. It is dangerous if used incorrectly. And he made a decision. Golden Wing flew over the cities. He looked into the houses from the sky. Children were looking at the screens, but they were not looking at life. One night, while everyone was sleeping, Golden Wing touched technology. Tablets, phones, computers began to change. There were no longer only games on the screens. There were questions. When was the last time you smelled a tree? Did you help an animal today? Can you use technology for good? When morning came, the children were very surprised. Screens were no longer just entertaining. They were teaching. Golden Wing guided the children. It taught recycling. It explained how to use energy sparingly. It had them design small machines that protect nature. It had them build nests for animals. Technology was no longer destroying nature, it was protecting nature. Children started to go outside. Parks filled up again. Trees turned green. Birds returned. The seas breathed. The world began to smile again. Golden Wing appeared in the sky for the last time and said, "The real superpower is not in the wings, but in good hearts and conscious minds." Then it landed on a flower and disappeared from sight. But everyone knew if the world was in danger, Golden Wing would fly again. And maybe the next hero would be you.